Hi, this is Tiffany, and welcome back to Broke-Girl-Aesthetic. This is the invitation for Small Creator Sunday. This is my monthly challenge that I host for YouTube creators with less than 5,000 subscribers to create something within a theme. The theme for February is Love is in the Air, of course, which is love or Valentine's, or if you're so inclined, anti-Valentine and anti-love. This one will take place on February 13th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and my lovely co-host is Michelle of Moxie DIY and Java. The rules are simple. Make sure you link us and the playlist in your description box. Use Small Creator Sunday in your title and follow the theme. Use hashtag Small Creator Sunday on Instagram if you want to participate over there. You make sure that your video is unlisted or scheduled to go at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, no earlier, so we can all go at the same time. I hope to see you guys there.